Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust presets for better results on your Lightroom app. So what you have to do is open up the Lightroom app and then select any images that you want to edit. So let's choose this image over here, and if you want to start editing, then tap on the edit button over here. And first off, let's adjust the light panel over here. So go over here and then increase the exposure to 30, then decrease the contrast to around 24 or 26, and then decrease the highlights to around 34, and then increase the shadows to 26. There you go. And then whites, decrease the whites to 10, and lastly increase the blacks to 30. So what we are doing here is we are brightening the image up but removing contrast, so the photo feels softer and faded instead of sharp and punchy. And then increasing the blacks also helps create that washed out without look. Alright, next up, go to the color section over here and then increase the temp by 4, then increase the tint by around 2, and then decrease the vibrance to 20 and saturation to 10. Alright, so we want to sort out these muted tones, so we are reducing vibrance and saturation. So we're just warming up the slightly warming it up slightly to keep the skin tone natural and not gray. Alright, now scroll all the way up and then tap on the mix button and select on the green color and increase the hue by 10, then decrease the saturation by 36 and increase the luminance by 20. Alright, now for the yellow settings, go over to the yellow color and then decrease the hue by 10 and decrease the saturation also by 20. And there you go. Now for the orange, decrease the saturation by 6 and then increase the luminance by 10. Alright, so this removes strong greens from the background and brightens the skin slightly. It also keeps the focus on the face while giving that dull, dreamy, emotional background. So next up, go over to the details section and then increase the sharpness by around 10 and increase the noise reduction by 10 as well. Okay, so just a little sharpening so that the face looks clean, and some noise reduction so that it smoothens the image out. Alright, now what you have to do is go over to the effects tab over here and then decrease the texture by 6, clarity by 10, and DH by 16. And then it is completely optional if you want to change the palette. So I will personally decrease it to 10. So what this does is we are softening the image so it looks gentle and dreamy, so instead of sharp and punchy. And also removing the DH helps with that foggy washed out effect. Alright, and that's it. If you want to compare it to how it first looked, then simply tap and hold on the image. And as you can see, we have turned the normal portrait into a beautiful washed out and faded portrait, which looks really cinematic. So this kind of edit is amazing for emotional portraits, storytelling photos, and also moody Instagram aesthetics. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any other questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.